Okay, so here is a quick review of this Lava Agni 2. I have spent a quick 5 minutes with it, and what I have observed, as you can see, there is a double camera bump over here, and I guess even though with stock cover, this lens are not going to get any protection. So you need to be aware about this. As you can see, four lenses are placed over here, and this is flash. So this lens is not out of this symmetrical structure, but the rest of the three lenses are obviously uh, not in the place, and they are there is clear hump over here. Okay, so other than that, if you switch on the display, you will observe, over bright colors, very vivid display is here. If you like that profile, there is no issue, and there is clear cut, no bloatware, very essential Android apps only. Other than that, if you go to the setting department, okay, then you may notice that this comes with the stock Android. Other than that, okay, it asks for update. Okay, I have not inserted any SIM card or any network connection for a specific reason. And if you go to gallery, and then these two are preliminary photos taken from this ultra HD mode, and as you can see, the result is decent. I would say decent. Okay, so but you cannot complain at this price regarding any performance of camera or anything else. And yes, setting is already here. So if you go to about phone section, as you can see, it has this MediaTek Android version still 13, and you need to update it up. If you go in this page department, then it says, you know 2023. It has this version of 2023 21 into 7. That means last July's security version it is still have been using. So that is almost more than a year ago. So you need to update it up. Touch response is also very satisfactory, and the dimension is also very precise, I would say. I have operated many curved phones earlier, but this has this unique design. Although this is curvy, but this module, let me focus over here. So